Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Heart of a Teacher 242 and I would like for you to stay tuned for a short little mini tutorial. So I am designing a worksheet here in PowerPoint, and as some of you might know, I am on my grade 2 math team and we are responsible for making up videos and worksheets for our virtual school. So I wanted to just jazz up my worksheets because I really don't like when the worksheets look so boring. So I created these headers that would fit at the top of the worksheets. These are 8.5 by 11 headers that you can just copy and paste and put them right at the top just to make your worksheet look a little bit better. But anyway, I want to show you what I like to do with my topic. I like to give it some color sometimes, and then I like to make the line. I go to text options and text outline. I like to put it black because I just feel like it gives it a little something special. Yeah, so you can see it made it look a little bit better by putting that black outline around it, okay, rather than just plain blue color or even just the plain black color. And then I like to probably give it a shadow, so I go ahead and give it a shadow, so that will just jazz it up even more. Okay, so I just want to demonstrate how the header works. It's just movable. Okay, like I said, I just wanted to create these to jazz up the worksheet. Here are some other looks. So like I say, you can just move it and put it at the top. Here's another one. Okay, did I move the other one? Okay, let's go down because I thought I had changed that one. I'll just jump quickly to the different options I have here. If you want to keep it soothing, you can go with these colors. Like I say, all of these are movable. So you can just copy and paste it. In fact, let me just do that. I'm going to copy and then change this one. Let me move that out of the way. And paste my new one. I'll just put it in position. Yeah. So this gives it a better look. All right, so these are the different options available. These will be 16 different headers available in my store. So these are different options. Just going quickly. This is just like a quick little tutorial slash taking a look at the different headers I have. If you want to jazz up your worksheet, or it might not even be a worksheet. It might be a letter. It might be something that you are creating and you just want to jazz up the top, and you could go ahead and just use these. So I will have these in my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Heart of a Teacher 242. I am a Teachers Pay Teachers newbie. Yay! And so I will have the link in the description. So before you click off, make sure go down below and click on the link, friends, and check out these awesome 8.5 by 11 headers. I think I'll have it in my store in the dollar something range. It won't be expensive. So go ahead and get yours. Okay? Bye, friends. See you later.